Good day everyone, my name is Kevin Young, Technical Product Lead for Philips Monitors in Europe. Today I'm going to show you our newest product, the Philips 5000 series B2G with a very low energy consumption panel. It also has one of the lowest energy label class on the market, energy label class B and C. We also have a very sustainable packaging with wood fiber bag, which reduce the plastics waste in this monitor. And today I'm going to show you how the Power Sensor 1 and the Power Sensor 2 is working. So we first start off with the Power Sensor setting over here, where you can turn on Power Sensor 1 or our newest generation Power Sensor 2, which combines with Windows 11 presence sensing, can also lock your laptop well, also reduce the brightness of the screen, also all the way turn it black in order to reduce up to 80% of power consumption. It of course also have light sensor. When you turn it on, it will adjust the brightness according to the ambient environment of this room. So let me show you how Power Sensor works. So we have here a shortcut bar button. When you press this, you'll see Power Sensor is now turning off. You can turn it on with 1, 2, 3, 4, and that means the distance between you and the Power Sensor. We also have a user setting, which is the Power Sensor 2, but I will get back to you in a bit. So let's go back to 4. We press OK, and now Power Sensor is activated. What Power Sensor does is it will then sense the person in front of the screen, and when you go away to grab a coffee, after 1 minute, it will dim down the power consumption and therefore help you to reduce your energy bill. When you are away for 3 minutes, it will turn all the way dark and therefore reduce up to 80% of the power consumption. So let me demonstrate you how that works. All right, so now you can see that the screen is now turned dark, and therefore we are reducing up to 80% of the power consumption. So in the situation when you are finishing your meeting or you finish grabbing a coffee with a colleague, you walk back to your desk, and the screen will sense that you're back on the desk and will turn on automatically. And that is the function of Power Sensor 1. We're now going to show you how Power Sensor 2 works. So, like before, we go to the shortcut button. With Power Sensor setting, we go to User and press OK. So Power Sensor 2 is now activated within our Power Sensor 2 sensor. Now we're going into the Windows setting, go to Settings, go to Accounts, go to Sign In Options, and here you can see Presence Sensing Settings. In order to show presence sensing settings, you need to make sure that USB-C connection is connected, which include USB data upstream. If you had your HDMI connected, make sure that you connect a USB-C to USB-A upstream connection in order to activate the data part, and therefore presence sensing will be visible within your settings. So within the presence settings, go to Turn on my screen when I leave. You turn this on. And wake up my device when I approach, you turn this on as well. You can set the desired distance. We have here 0.75 meters, and we want to turn this on immediately. But you can also set the duration of 10 or 20 seconds. Once that is set, you can close this. And let's just go back to the normal posture. And now I'm going to show you how that works when I leave my desk. You can see presence sensing is activated immediately. It will not only shut down the screen and save up to 80% of your power consumption, but it will also lock your laptop for additional security measures. When I'm back on my desk, it will notify I'm back on my desk. I use my finger to log in this situation. I'm back in Windows. So with Power Sensor 1 and Power Sensor 2, we make sure that we help you to reduce your energy consumption and therefore reducing your energy bill. And also additionally, to secure your laptop by locking your laptop as well in combination with Windows 11 presence sensing. And that is the introduction for our Philips Monitor 5000 series B2G. Thanks very much.
Philips.